Gino from Gino the Keto Guido Capiche. Well, I told you guys that I was going to be doing a simple dessert recipe and hack with sugar-free Jello and heavy cream. So I've got my, what you could use, this is low carb, okay? But if you're not following a low carb diet and you just want a dessert, you can use a regular brand of pudding. This is just sugar-free and lower in carbs. And it's a hack because it is, a simple, easy thing to do. And it's 2 ingredients. I am making pistachio flavored mousse because it's gonna whip up into like a fluffy whip consistency. So to the pudding, I have my 2 cups of heavy cream. I have my pudding in the bowl. So I am going to pour that in. It's gonna get noisy for a second. Okay, I'm gonna blend this up now. Four here out of the cups. Well, I filled 4 containers. Pistachio mousse. Hey guys, it's Gino the Keto Guido Capiche. I'm gonna put it in the comments and the link. The comment section below. But I wanted to let you know the macros. These are the small containers that I made. They're serving sizes, and I have 4 of these. So there was between this and the heavy cream, there was 5 net carbs. So for each one of these, it's what, Jen? 1.5. For each one of these little cups is 1.5 net carbs. So if you eat this whole little thing, it's less than 2 carbs. It's just the pudding and the heavy cream. There's 2 cups of heavy cream goes in here, so there's 2 grams of carbs in the 2 cups. But obviously, you're not eating the whole 2 cups. So in this container is less than 2 carbs. Okay. See you guys later.